Just giving you a quick shot of where we are when we're doing our fire. So we're on the top of the hillside here. Found a clearing. You can see our fire is burning down. Hey everybody, Mike, Lone Cedar Outdoors. Today we're going to be starting a new segment. Well, we're going to be doing multiple videos on. So it's going to be all about fire. So each video will have a different way of lighting a fire. So we can show you what we're going to do. So take a look here. I'm going to zoom out so that way you can kind of see where I'm at. I'm posted up underneath a big tree because it's hot here in the desert. So you can see my little log cabin fire. I got it pre-stuffed and everything. What we're going to be using today, we're going to be using a Fero rod today. So I got it set up here. Threw a little fat wood in here, and I also got some real fine stuff. So what this is kind of a broken log cabin fire setup. So what we're going to use a Fero rod today. Got the old trusted Fero rod. We're going to get this going. Alright? Take a couple of practice swipes. We'll get this going. So you can see it there. It's taken there, flame. I'll put a little. It's windy, so the wind's pushing it this way. But that's basically your log cabin fire there. We're using the Fero rod. You can see it took off. So what you'll do now, I'm going to put a couple of sticks on top. That right there, folks, is using a Fero rod. So again, you can see it. That way you can see for the sparks what it's like. This is one method, folks, of fire. This is going to be our new segment. Like I told you, we're going to do a few different ways of lighting a fire. So this is Mike from Lone Cedar Outdoors coming to you. Have a great day, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thanks for all the support.